Alright, so welcome back. Alright, so today we're going to be working in the terminal on VS Code. So what you want to do is go to your VS Code or open it up, and then down here at the bottom you have I'm not exactly sure what those buttons are, but click these buttons here and then you will be able to see terminal. So now we are in the terminal. So terminal is usually where you can, run programs, scripts and stuff along those lines. So today we're going to be doing some Python stuff using the terminal. So what you can do is just type in Python, hit enter. Now if you're using a Mac, a lot of times, most of the time, Python is already installed on your computer. So I'm not exactly sure about the case with Windows, but if you installed Python, then it'll tell you what version of Python you're using. So I don't want to use Python 2.7, so I'm going to just exit out, and I want to use Python 3. So I'm going to put Python 3 on the end, and then this will get me Python 3.7. So this should be the case for both Windows and Mac, but alright, so we can go ahead and get started. So I'm going to clear some of this stuff up on the screen. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we're going to go back to doing like little variables and stuff like that. So now this is pretty much the same as if you were to write it in a Python file. The only difference is that whenever you press enter, when you finish with a statement, it will execute that code. So let's go ahead and start making a few variables. So let's see, name is equal to, let's go with my name. And as you can see, I didn't get any errors or anything. It just moved on to the next line. So whenever I go to, if I want to see what is inside of name, I can print out name and it'll give me back, Scooter, because that is what name is currently holding. Name is holding the value of Scooter. So we can also do a few other things, such as, let's get a number. Number is equal to 10, and so number is equal to 10 right now. So I want to add something to the number. So let's just add 1 to it. So as you can see, number plus 1 gives you back 11. So number was 10 initially, and now we added 1 to it. So now the value is now 11. And then also too, we can print out the value, so print number. So what happened here is that we did number plus 1. So all we did was just add these two things together. This is not the actual value of number. The actual value of number is equal to 10. So that's why we get 10 here instead of 11. Now if I wanted this to be equal to number plus 1, then you need to do number plus number plus 1. So like I was saying earlier, number is equal to 10. So number right here is going to hold the value of 10. So 10 plus 1 will now get you 11. So if I print out the value of number now, it is now going to hold the value of 11. So as you can see here. So we're just basically doing a little bit of, basic math and stuff, and then assigning variables and stuff to values. So